Technology Co., Limited. We are specialized in producing vertical machining centers, horizontal machining centers, 5-axis machining centers, gantry machining centers, drilling and tapping centers, CNC lathes, and other mechanical equipment. Our products are widely used in industries such as aerospace, automobile and motorcycle, molds, laptops, automation, oil drilling, and mechanical processing. Since Qiaobo Tech's inception, we consistently adhere to technological innovation and independent research. Now we bring together a CNC machine tool, technology development elite team, and experienced production team, earning numerous national invention patents. Our products are all passed ISO 9001 International Quality System certification and have been honored as a national high-tech enterprise, specially refined, differential, innovative enterprise in Chongqing, small and medium-sized enterprise technology research and development center in Chongqing, and many other honors. We have established branches and offices in cities such as Suzhou, Tianjin, Shanghai, Xi'an, Changsha, Wuhan, Chengdu, Guiyang, and Zhengzhou, with a comprehensive sales network and prompt after-sales response, ensures providing customers with comprehensive mechanical processing solutions and quick services.